connection with this industry whatsoever. I did Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai twice. So I did it once childhood mein, and I did it again recently with Pranali. It was very funny when I got casted again as Maya because the OG fans, they recognize. So they're like, how is Maya her? She's Chicky. And then they were drawing that parallel, okay, if she is her daughter, but then she is his friend. So then Akshara is Chicky, Maya's Nani. I started acting when I was like 7 years old. So मैंने starting में कभी सीखा नहीं. When you do a TV show as the lead, I think you can do anything then because वो आपको इतने pressure में इतना सारा काम करवाते हैं where you also have to give your best of performance, you know. When I got to know that she's been diagnosed, I did reach out to her and I texted her that I wish that God gives you strength and I wished her good health. It's commendable how she's still so strongly working and she's looking gorgeous as always.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Take One Filmy, and today I have with me Navika Kotia. Very pretty, very talented. Because, like I said, I hated you in English. So,
thank you.
What an introduction! I hated you there, but that shows how good you were.
It's a good compliment.
I'm glad. But a very warm welcome to Take One Filmy.
Thank
How
you.
are you doing? How was your day? How was your morning?
Well, the morning started a little late today, so I was happy because I had a very hectic week. But it's been a good week, touch wood. A lot of good things coming. So my show School Friends has got a very good response from the audience, and I've been nominated for Filmfare. So that's like...
Take me to your early days now when like you're born and brought up in Mumbai.
Yes.
So how was it, you know, just the studies for saath mein acting, because you started very young, you and your brother both.
Yeah.
He was the tiniest and you were also very tiny. How like acting mein, did your parents like, you know, suggest or you did? How was it?
So my mom is from Rajasthan. She got married and she shifted to Mumbai.
Oh, okay.
And my dad was born brought up here. He has his own jewelry business. So no connection with this industry whatsoever. Very normal parents. But my mom had this thing ki, you know, I want my kids to do something different.
Wow.
And of course when she came to Mumbai, being from another city, you know, this limelight kind of takes you with an awe. So she used to watch this show called Sena Something to Anupam Uncle. It was a chat show that used to come on DD National.
Okay.
So my mom just filled an application for me. And a few years later, this was even before Shivansh was born. And after he got born, we got a reward from them. And that was the first time I came on TV. It was just a normal chat show.
Yeah.
And then she was like, okay, we should try this. And also, I as a kid, I was very outgoing. I was very confident. I used to speak to strangers or in public a lot. And I started learning dance at a very young age. तो मैंने बहुत सारे stage performances भी किए. एक DD National पे dance reality show में भी part लिया था मैंने. And then we used to go to Famous Studio. तो तभी आराम नगर नहीं था. It was Famous Studio. And there were no email IDs also at that time.
Okay.
So we used to go door to door, give our portfolio and all.
Yeah.
That's how I started auditioning slowly, and we got into this. So my first ad was for Complan. And my first TV show, I think I did much later on, but it was Baba Over Baby.
Oh.
And my first movie was actually Bhool Bhulaiya. I had a very small scene in it.
3 आने वाली है. कौन सा था part?
So it's like, if you remember the movie when Avni ka backstory बताते हैं ना विद्या बालन का. So that little girl who's
with the granny.
Yeah.
Oh, that's you.
That's me.
मैं जाकर देखने वाला हूँ दोबारा.
Yeah. So that is how it started, you know, धीरे-धीरे. And then Shivansh grew up. तो हमारे यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि मुंडन 4 साल बाद होता है.
अच्छा.
So Shivansh had like this long hair.
Okay.
फिर उसका मुंडन हुआ, उसके बाद he also started auditioning, you know.
Yeah.
ऐसा करके. And then luckily we both did Ye Rishta and English together.
Yes. You know, you are one of the first, not first actually, one of the very few sibling duo who are equally popular, equally loved for your characters.
Yeah, touch wood, you know.
Yeah, I'm sure you might have heard this before. I've seen इन दोनों ने ना बहुत सारे साथ में interviews भी दिए हैं. I've seen दोनों साथ में. It's literally like, you know, कभी कोई रक्षाबंधन special कर रहे हैं कोई, but I've seen a lot of your interviews. But yes, the sibling duos who are equally loved and popular. Shows भी साथ में same ही है, show and the film.
Yes.
You know, we were talking about Shivansh, your brother. Shivansh, for those who don't know, I'm sure you know him, but the real name I'm talking about, he's Naksh from Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai.
Yeah. The Chotu Naksh, Duggu.
Duggu, yeah.
Yeah.
Dugu was, I think, I can't say that actually. Dugu was equally popular as Dugu उस time पर.
Yeah, he was very popular. मतलब अभी भी उसको लोग मेजोरिटली उसी नाम से
I
जानते
know,
हैं.
Naksh.
वो अब कॉलेज में है तो कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि उसके जो सीनियर्स है वो उसको बोलते हैं कि you like do one video call with my mom because she loves Duggu. मतलब वो अभी भी उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी उतनी ही है.
Yeah, I didn't want him to grow up.
Yeah, me neither. I wish I could like bring back the Chota Duggu. I'm waiting for him to have a son someday. It has to be a carbon copy, but yeah.
Like force him, have a son and it should look like you.
Yeah, look like you only.
I know.
No mother का कुछ trait नहीं आना चाहिए. Look तो तेरा carbon copy बना.
Yeah, but when I saw मैंने Instagram पे, I think you guys used to do vlogging also, and I've seen a couple of Instagram videos also दोनों के. I was like यार ये क्यों बड़ा हो गया? You know. But how did you get? And so you got रिश्ता? I think you came much later.
After Shivansh, yeah.
After Shivansh,
पहले शिवीर
right?
को मिला, हाँ.
हाँ.
And then I auditioned because a character came up. So they had this character before the leap as well, which was
Chikki.
Chikki,
The
the
young-
adopted daughter.
हाँ.
And then after leap, they thought of bringing that character back. So they were auditioning for it, and my mom was like, "My daughter's of the same age. Can she audition too?" So I auditioned, and I did Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai twice. So I did it once childhood mein, and I did it again recently with Pranali and Harshad.
What were you?
I was playing Maya's character in it. And so there was this whole track where the leads get separated, and Akshara becomes my ghost singer basically. So yeah, I did the show twice because that show is only so legendary that it's been running since so long that as a human being I've been able to be a part of it twice.
I get it. It's the one, the longest running show, I guess, if I'm not wrong. वो खत्म, I don't think वो होगा कभी because हर story सबको बहुत पसंद आ रही है. But sorry for the season 2, 3 and 64 season fans, but my personal favorite is the Akshara wala part.
Sure, yeah.
My personal favorite was that. You know, again, Chikki's character, it also, you know, you said younger version भी था, but we know, like जिसने follow किया है उसको मालूम है कि वो एक younger version आया था, as in जब वो adopt किया गया था उसको, and then it also got popular because of you. And with you, I wouldn't call it just because of you because it's everything. But yes, your efforts definitely counted. But then it also got popular. तो अभी भी ऐसा होता है कि people call you Chikki or they have followed other work also?
So they have, but they do recognize me as Chikki. In fact, it was very funny when I got casted again as Maya because the OG fans, they recognize. So they're like, how is Maya her? She's Chikki. And then they were drawing that parallel, okay, if she is her daughter, but then she is his friend. So then Akshara is Chikki, Maya's Nani. Because like, you know, ऐसा वो लोग पूरा calculation कर. नहीं, sorry, Chikki, Maya is Akshara's Nani. So I was like, guys, it's a separate character. There's no link. But people do remember. And अभी भी like, you know, comments में आता है कि oh this is Chikki. So even school friends के fans recognize me as Chikki sometimes because I think it's an evergreen show, so that name will never go.
For sure. But a lot of much more good work to come for sure, I'm sure about that. Since you're talking about Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, did you by any chance get time or chance to speak to Hina?
Yeah.
Because the kind of reels and content she's putting out, it's literally inspiring everyone in the country or maybe abroad. Did you by any chance get a chance to speak to her?
So when I got to know that she's been diagnosed, I did reach out to her and I texted her that I wish that God gives you strength and I wished her good health. So yeah, and then she reverted, keep me in your prayers, and I was like, always. So I did speak to her. But I think at such times, you know, you should give people their space. So,
Yeah. And she is giving strength to all of us. Like I said, I've put up her stories and everything. She is very powerful.
No, it's commendable how she's still so strongly working and she's looking gorgeous as always. Like, I don't know if she wouldn't have shared that news, nobody could have guessed that something's going on.
For sure. Especially the Ram walk, you know. It was no one could have guessed it or done that. Wow, that's very powerful. How did English happen again to you both?
So Shivansh and we both were doing different shows at that time. I was doing a show for Star Plus and he was doing Mrs. Tendulkar. So we both did not get time to go and audition for it together. So my mom was like, "Abhi at least ek ki to kar leti hu." So Shivansh went and gave the audition, and then they called him for second round. Like they wanted to do one more audition. So tabhi I was with them. So I also went into the office, and the moment I walked in, they came to me and they're like, "Do you also act?" I was like, "Yes." Like, "Would you like to audition for it?" I was like, "Sure." So मैंने audition दिया, and उधर ही they liked the both of us, and then we met Gauri ma'am, and that's how then things went.
Wow, and you worked with Sri Devi, the legend. Yeah, and you got to be mean to her. Was it tough?
Yeah, that was sad. It was tough, but it was also very fun.
Okay.
But my real life bond with my mother is the complete opposite of that. I'm very good friends with my mom, and she also cannot speak English. So sometimes I do have to correct her, or she only asks me for help or advice. But I always did it in a very decent way, and in a very like nonchalant way. Okay, it's not a big deal, because for a very long time even I couldn't speak very well English.
Which
you
is
know?
absolutely fine.
Yeah, because my mother tongue is Hindi.
Yeah.
I even remember बचपन में एक बार मेरी मॉम को स्कूल बुलाया था, because मैं स्कूल में ज्यादा हिंदी बोलती थी.
Okay.
तो कंप्लेन की
Yeah.
यार बेटी हिंदी बोल रही है. तो हमारे घर पे बड़े होते हुए it was never a big deal कि हिंदी नहीं आती या इंग्लिश नहीं आती. But when I saw that film, like when I read my character, I was like, yeah, there are kids who can be mean, and maybe even I am rude to my mother, or I give her an answer back for something else, not English, but किसी और चीज में. So while doing that film also, I realized how we as kids sometimes say anything to our parents,
Yeah,
but
you
how
don't
they
realize.
feel about it
Yeah.
is different. So it was fun. It was मतलब obviously to get to work with her,
course.
but then playing a character completely opposite to you at that young age is a good experience.
Of course, and you had like two great actors. You also had Adil, sir.
Yeah.
Like an amazing actor at that time.
Wonderful.
Obviously, yeah, he has been doing great work. उस time पे obviously people had not seen a lot of his work. वो gradually धीरे-धीरे करके आया. But again, we all know how amazing both the actors are. Like, कभी ऐसे intimidated feel होता था कि यार I don't know, nervousness, maybe jitters, how am I gonna say to line? इसमें से या फिर कभी if either of the two or Shri ma'am is maybe saying something, or you're just forgetting your line and just listening to her and seeing to her.
So that happened in the last scene, जो English का climax scene है ना,
हाँ,
वो speech
speech
दे रही है,
देती है.
वो हमारे सबके script में नहीं था.
अच्छा.
That script was given to her separately.
Okay.
And she said it in one flow, one take में, in the master shot in front of everybody. तो हम वो पहली बार सुन रहे हैं, and the lines are beautiful. She said it with such emotion, और मैं सुनते मैं रो दी. एंड वो सीन उन्होंने मूवी में डाला है, वो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था, दैट्स सपना सपोज्ड टू क्राई, बट मैं वो सुन के रो दी. तो उन्होंने वो डाल दिया शॉट में, एंड जो उनके इंग्लिश क्लासेस के फ्रेंड्स थे ना, देयर पोजीशन वाज राइट ऑपोजिट अस इन द शॉट. सो आफ्टर द टेक दे ऑल केम टू मी, ओह व्हाट अ लवली एक्टर, यार यू डिड सो वेल. आई वाज लाइक, इनको कौन पता है मैं सच में रो रही हूँ. सो यू नो शी डिड इट सो वेल कि आपको एक्टिंग करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है उनके साथ, बिकॉज एक्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट एक्शन रिएक्शन. तो जब वो इतना अच्छा एक्शन दे रहे हैं तो रिएक्शन अपने आप आ जाता है.
Wow, this reminds me, you just said acting is all about action reaction. This reminds me, कभी ऐसे टाइम मिलता है बीच में जाने का, maybe you know, I'm sure you're working, actively working, but बीच में कभी time to attend the workshops, या फिर you know maybe hone your skills, या फिर ऐसे 15 दिन की workshops होते रहते हैं. Do you ever get time, or do you do it?
I have honestly never done that because I started acting when I was like 7 years old. तो मैंने starting में कभी सीखा नहीं, and I felt कि I get a much better experience on set as itself, which is the best way to learn, you know. Like for example, I did a show on ZTV as the main lead, and that experience, it was like 6 months back only. I think that was going to school all over again. That was like an acting school for me, because when you do a TV show as the lead, I think you can do anything then, because वो आपको इतने pressure में इतना सारा काम करवाते हैं, where you also have to give your best of performance, you know. तो आपको इतना अच्छे से पॉलिश कर देता है वो, जिसका असर मेरे स्कूल फ्रेंड सीजन 2 पे भी दिखा था. इनफैक्ट आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर बोथ द प्रोजेक्ट्स टुगेदर, तो मेरी हालत खराब हो चुकी थी. बट लाइक मेरे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स के सेट पे लोग बोलते भी है बहुत बार कि ये कभी लाइन क्यों नहीं भूलती. लाइक बिकॉज ब्रो मेरे पास चांस ही नहीं है कि मैं लाइन भूलूं. मैं उधर से इतना प्रिपेयर होके आई हूँ, यू नो. तो आई फील कि वो हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस इज मच बेटर. तो बट अगर मुझे टाइम मिलता है तो फिर मैं दूसरे स्किल्स जरूर सीखती हूँ. लाइक ये जी का शो करने से जस्ट पहले आई जॉइंड गिटार क्लासेस, और मैं 1 महीना गई, बट फिर शूट शुरू हो गया तो छूट गई वैसा. देन आई कीप पॉलिशिंग माय डांस, ये सब तो चलता रहता है.
Bharatanatyam, I'm glad I tried to learn Bharatanatyam once. I think I went to 6 classes and then I could not continue.
Yeah. So I started, I think 3rd grade में, क्योंकि आपको 8 साल लगते हैं Bharatanatyam सीखने में, and the 9th year is your final Arangetram. तो बचपन में मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, ट्रस्ट बिलीव इट और नॉट, मैं बहुत रोती थी कि मुझे नहीं सीखना, इट्स नॉट कूल, बिकॉज इट्स पेनफुल, बट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली इट वाज नॉट कूल बैक देन, यू नो, एंड आई वाज लाइक स्कूल में कोई नहीं कराता, वो तो सब वेस्टर्न ही करते हैं, मुझे हिप हॉप सीखना है, ये सब था. एंड माई मॉम वाज लाइक, बेटा अगर तूने क्लासिकल सीख लिया ना तो तू कुछ भी सीख सकती है. एंड टुडे आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल. मैंने कम से कम 100 बार मम्मी को इस चीज के लिए थैंक यू बोला कि थैंक यू, आपने मुझे पुश किया टू कंटिन्यू विद दैट आर्ट फॉर्म, बिकॉज today it's one of the things that I'm most proud of, that I have a master's degree in Bharatanatyam, you know.
And that's actually cool.
And I can like, it has actually helped me a lot, because आपके भाव, आपके expressions उसमें improve होते हैं, आपके dance forms उसमें improve होते हैं. It's तो
Wow. टीवी शो करते टाइम आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस टू नो लगभग कितने घंटे चलता है एक दिन में शूट, एंड कितने दिन चलता है?
मेरा तो 22 घंटे भी चला है. आई हैव हैड शेड्यूल्स वेयर आई हैव शॉट फॉर 24 hours straight, come home, slept for 3 to 4 hours and go back and again shoot for 24 hours straight.
I would have killed people.
मेरा भी वैसा हालत हो गया था by the end of it, because I was so saturated, and I did all of this without a single holiday.
Wow.
Without a single holiday.
क्या था मोटिवेशन, ऐसे ड्राइविंग फोर्स क्या था to keep doing that?
See, पहली बात तो ये था कि I really believed in my character. ठीक है. जो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट था उसमें सबकी बहुत मेहनत लगी थी, you know. I used to enjoy doing that show. I believed in it. ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm doing something, you know, superficial or supernatural जो मैं खुद ही It was a very good concept. It was about a sass who adopts a daughter-in-law when she's a kid and raises her to be the perfect bahu. And the concept revolved around the mother-in-law having a motherly bond with the daughter-in-law. So saas maa bahu beti hoti hai. And I had a genuinely very nice, so Manasi Joshi Roy, Rohit Roy's wife, she was playing my mother-in-law.
Oh wow.
And we genuinely had that good connection. तो उनके साथ वाले scenes मेरे को emotionally एक्चुअली में छू जाते थे. एंड ऑल्सो हम लोग ना वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से लंच करते थे, सब अपने अपने घर से डब्बा लेकर आते थे, वी यूज्ड टू शेयर एंड वी हैड दिस वन डब्बा गैंग. तो आई थिंक दैट लंच ब्रेक वाज आवर मोटिवेशन टू गो आउटसाइड ऑनेस्टली. बट या, एंड ऑल्सो आई वाज डूइंग व्हाट आई एम सो पैशनेट अबाउट. इन फैक्ट दैट एक्सपीरियंस, सो after my school, when I was in school, तभी तो हम school और acting साथ में करते थे बचपन में, and we used to do acting as a hobby. Then 10th के बाद I took a break to focus on my studies. After that I even worked in corporate for some time. I had a marketing job, and then I was like, because if I'm giving up on something, I should know what it is like, right? So I enjoyed it, but I was like, नहीं, जो passion मुझे acting के लिए मुझे इसमें नहीं लग रहा. So then I went into acting like a full-time career. And जब मैंने ये शो किया ना, it was so hectic, but I still used to enjoy it so much. And personally life में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, set पे जाके या कैमरा के सामने खड़े होके मैं खुश हो जाती थी. And that experience made me realize that I made the best decision of my life. Wow. To do something that I love. कि इतना बुरा, मतलब इतना hectic schedule है तो भी I am happy
just
and
smiling
doing
and
it.
working. Which is why we say अगर आपका पैशन आपका जॉब बन जाए तो nothing like that. उससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं होता. If I have to ask you, what's that kind of film? Do you have हम सबका एक सपना टाइप होता है. Do you have something of the sorts के ये कैरेक्टर है जो मुझे लाइफ में ज़रूर करना है, या फिर ये इस टाइप की एक फिल्म है जो मुझे लाइफ में, और एनी शो और एनी कंटेंट मुझे करना है, और this is the person I really want to work with?
So if we talk about characters, then I just want my filmography to be as diverse as possible.
Of course.
मैं चाहती हूँ that in the next 5 or 10 years, every character that I do is somehow very different from the previous character that I did. तो मुझे ऐसे characters करने हैं जिसमें मैं, like when you see that character, you don't see Navika in it at all. You know. So that is what I want as an artist. To be very versatile as I can be. When you talk about projects, of course, OTT gives you that opportunity to be that versatile. क्योंकि TV is also great. I am not going to compare the two. But OTT में आपको बहुत genres मिल जाते हैं, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Like something that I'm really trying to manifest is like a very badass character who's doing like action and pulling out guns and riding bikes, because that is not me, you know. मैं थोड़ी ऐसे chulbuli si, I'm a chatterbox and I'm a little girly, so I want to do something completely different. That would be fun. So ये सब तो है, but also the little kid in me who grew up watching Bollywood, who used to look up at heroines and be like, हाँ मुझे बड़े होके ये बनना है.
शिफॉन साड़ी वाला.
Yeah, तो वो तो करना ही है. स्विट्जरलैंड में
Yeah.
साड़ी पहन के रोमांटिक सॉन्ग तो करना ही है.
Yeah.
तो वो है. I obviously dream of being a Bollywood heroine, but yeah, I mean.
I don't think that I don't think it should go away from Bollywood, the Switzerland wale songs and all.
No,
I
it
really
shouldn't.
hope they don't go.
Yeah.
Because that's the trademark of Bollywood. Not trademark, sorry. Whoever please don't get offended, but not the trademark. But yes, हमारा Bollywood का अपना पहचान है. हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री और इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री.
I mean, ये जो एक नेटफ्लिक्स पे सीरीज भी थी जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि यशराज चोपड़ा के नाम पे स्विट्जरलैंड में गलियां है.
Romantics to us.
हाँ.
Yeah.
एंड मतलब उनकी वजह से टूरिज्म इतना बढ़ गया था वहाँ पे. एंड आई वाज लाइक बट दैट 90s, late 90s and early 2000s का Bollywood is iconic.
For sure.
And like I also feel that the actresses then, like I mean I love the actresses now also, but उनमें कुछ अलग ही बात थी.
I know.
Because कैसा था ना, they were unachievable, unattainable girls. क्योंकि हमारे बचपन में ना कोई ज्यादा बनता था तो उसको बोलते थे कि खुद को हीरोइन समझते हैं.
I know, right.
And nowadays heroines are very relatable. तो मेरे लिए ना वो contrast बहुत weird है. मेरे लिए एक हीरोइन वही होती है जो like you are Shushmita Sen, bro. You
Yeah.
can't be Aishwarya Rai. You can't be Shushmita Sen. You
Right.
have to. It's just them.
Right,
You know,
right.
वैसा. तो वो चीज़ नहीं जानी चाहिए. And वो जो एक मसाला है, वो जो going back to the theater and watching a masala Bollywood film is a different feeling.
Which is why re-releases इतने चल रहे हैं.
इतने चल रहे हैं.
Re-release होके re-release में ज्यादा पैसे कमा रहे हैं जो इन्होंने उस टाइम पर कमाए थे.
Correct.
You watched any film re-release वाली?
Tumbad. I
Oh, you watched Tumbad?
recently. I've actually
wow.
watched Tumbad 4-5 times already.
Yeah, same.
फिर जब re-release हुआ तो मेरे को जाके देखना ही था. Definitely, and I took my friends who had not watched the movie. तो यार मैंने वो देखी थी.
I watched Veer Zara again.
Oh wow.
It was so cool. It was damn cool.
I should watch that क्योंकि मैंने जब पहली बार देखा था मैं बहुत छोटी थी. So I should rewatch it.
Yeah, same. I was very small उस time पर तो समझ आता था but couldn't enjoy. And I'm
Yeah.
waiting for them to re-release Devdas.
Yeah, I actually never watched Devdas.
Okay, we'll edit it out.
No, I will watch it.
Yeah, okay. But you are right. वो जो star power, जो stardom और super stardom था, that I don't think it's there anymore. I can say it very blatantly. It's not there.
Yeah.
Yes, people get in awe.
नहीं, वो stardom वाला क्या है ना? I think that stardom has gone away because actors are very accessible nowadays because of social media. You know, मुझे पता है कि let's say for example कार्तिक आर्यन, मुझे पता है उसके डॉगी का नाम क्या है, मुझे पता है वो अपने डॉगी के साथ कैसे, क्योंकि वो खुद डालता है. You know, हाँ, कटोरी, she is very cute. But like मुझे पता है, पहले के जमाने में ये सब नहीं होता था. You know, you don't know what's going on in their personal life. तो वो curiosity I think वो create करती है. And I think अभी stars नहीं, like you can't be a mega star, like it's very difficult.
You can't be Madhuri Dixit or Sridevi or Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, or you can't be Shah Rukh Khan.
For sure.
Yeah, तो वो है, but still अभी भी actors are doing great. They have their own legacy. So I think it's just how things change over time. But some things which are in our control should be in our control, that you need, like there's a huge difference between an actor and a heroine.
Yeah.
And that difference should be there.
Yeah, you're right.
That difference should be there.
I feel it sometimes too.
Yeah.
वो एक hero heroine and an actor actress. वो hero heroine thing is kind of going this now. They're doing
Which is
amazing
good,
acting.
which is good,
Yeah. I'm not saying they're doing amazing. Like if you take Alia or Sharvi, they're doing amazing acting.
So अभी Alia in Gangubai, she's doing a phenomenal job as an actor.
Yeah.
But again in Rocky and Rani,
She's
is
a
wearing
heroine,
that chiffon sari and she's doing that Kashmir
Song
wala
in
song.
Kashmir, yeah.
तो वो भी करो. This is
Yes,
what I'm saying.
yes.
कि वो मन जाने दो, please.
You know, I was speaking to I think Shahana Goswami, the actress. She was also saying the same. कि थी सब अच्छा है, मुझे सब करना है, but मुझे शिफॉन साड़ी में नाचना है स्विट्जरलैंड में ठंड में कांपते हुए. I would want to do it.
Yeah,
It's amazing. अच्छा, what are you working on right now? What's next is coming?
So we are working on something related to school friends only, which I'm not allowed to say.
Sorry, something related to?
School friends only.
Acha,
which I won't say.
okay.
But yeah, we have a few things in line. Like we have a nice plan in line. Let's see how it gets executed.
Okay, but there's something coming up for sure.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Does Shivansh plan to come back after studies?
Not now, but you never like you should never say never.
Never say never.
You never know how his mind will change. Right now, he's doing B Pharmacy plus MBA, so
Haila.
he's more into education, business side of it. But let's see. Yeah, उसका ये उसको ऐसा लगता है उसका एक्टिंग का फेम का जो पूरा कहते हैं ना कोटा था हो गया
कोटा
पूरा
हो गया।
बचपन में
अच्छा, fulfill हो गया।
He's like so actually when he was young बहुत छोटा था. And when you're a guy, plus you're young, people think you are very like easy for people. They find it very approachable. तो वो उसको देखकर पागल हो जाते थे. And they used to like pull his cheeks and be very personal. तो वो irritate हो जाता था. And as a kid, ना he couldn't go out to public places a lot. So he has a very different conception of fame. So he doesn't really like being in the limelight much nowadays.
Got
That's
it.
why. But let's see. He loves acting.
He does.
Yeah, but
yeah, he's a good actor
yeah,
also. Bachpan mein, I still remember his scenes anyway. You know, if ever given a chance, would you be comfortable doing any reality show, say Big Boss is running, or any dance show? You know, dance aate, really a dancer, any show for that matter.
I would love to do Jhalak, like because that's the only dance show that we have, I guess.
Yeah.
But because I love dancing so much, and मैं बहुत particular हूँ dances को लेकर. मतलब मेरे building में मेरे दोस्तों से झगड़े हो रखे हैं क्योंकि वो गणपति में जो function होता है ना नीचे उसमें वो लोग ढंग से dance नहीं कर रहे थे. And I used to like मैं सबको पकड़ के लेकर आती थी, choreograph करती थी. And मैं ये बचपन की बात नहीं बता रही हूँ, ये बहुत recent की बात है. तो मेरा वैसा है scene, like I'm very particular with dance.
Really?
So to be on like that big of a stage and perform for that stage will be like a mission. मतलब वो तो मैं I'll do everything to just win it because it's a dance.
It's dance. एक rush. I can see the adrenaline
Yeah,
rush जो आता
while I
है वो
talk,
आता है.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. अच्छा, we just talked about social media. Do you put extra efforts on to be visible?
No, not at all. Which is something I really
Have you
struggle
been
with.
advised? Have you been advised?
Yeah. Because see, I come from an age जहाँ email भी नहीं था, right? फिर जब हम काम करते थे इंग्लिश भी की थी तब भी इतना सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, बिल्कुल ही नहीं था. एंड आई थिंक तभी तो जस्ट आया था नया इंस्टाग्राम और ये सब.
Facebook was the newest और उस टाइम पर.
करेक्ट, हाँ. और फिर जब मैंने व्हेन आई टुक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम एक्टिंग उसके बाद ये सोशल मीडिया बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया. नाउ आई हैव नेवर एक्चुअली गॉटन रेडी जस्ट टू डू समथिंग फॉर इंस्टाग्राम. जैसे आज मैं तैयार हुई हूँ तो आज मैं शायद 2-3 फोटोज खींच लूंगी, अच्छे है तो मैं इंस्टा पे डाल दूंगी. हाउ नॉर्मली यू आर सपोज्ड टू यूज सोशल मीडिया. दैट्स हाउ आई डू इट. या फिर कोई ट्रेंड दिख गया जो बहुत मस्त है तो बना लिया. अब जैसे शिवांश एंड आई वर डूइंग अ ब्रांड शूट वंस एंड उस वक्त वो ट्रेंड चल रहा था लेट्स डांस, तो हमने शूट पर ही ऐसे बना लिया वो जो हमारे आउटफिट चेंजेस थे उसमें. एंड इट ब्लू अप एंड इट गॉट लाइक 8 million व्यूज एंड ऑल क्योंकि वो सिस्टर ब्रदर बॉन्ड
like I said, very popular duo, yeah.
तो वैसा मेरा कंटेंट चला है हमेशा कि रैंडमली कुछ भी बना दिया. बट नाउ अनफॉर्चुनेटली पहले कैसा होता था अगर आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो तो यू गेट फेमस ऑन सोशल मीडिया. नाउ इट्स द ऑपोजिट. इफ यू आर फेमस ऑन सोशल मीडिया यू गेट बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव सजेस्टेड मी दैट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर फॉलोइंग, यू नीड टू. एंड बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है मैं
decent following.
Yeah, but like they want big numbers and all of that. Got because it. Unfortunately, now I'll say unfortunately very blatantly, they want the actor to bring in the views. And I'm like, bro, your content is supposed to bring in the views. Now you look at School Friends. Last week there was a news article by Hollywood Reporter. The number 1 most viewed show was Bhuvan Bam's Taza Khabar. Number 2 was Lord of the Rings. 3rd was Kapil Sharma. 4th was Ananya's Control. And 5th was our show. Our show does not have a big face, big name in it. It's just content and word of mouth. हम लोग कोई ऐसा crazy marketing भी नहीं कर रहे. तो content does speak for itself, you know. We'll have to pause for a second.
That's fine. That's fine.
She make noise.
I was talking to you about reels. और मेरे दिमाग में वो गाना चल रहा है कैसे गुनगुन. वो दिमाग में
तो reels has actually ruined a lot of songs.
I swear. Songs and our lives.
Yeah. So that's what I was saying, that content does speak for itself.
Yes,
but people want the actors or let's say the influencers to bring in the numbers.
I think which is why also they might take up an influencer as opposed to a very good actor. If
they do. And see, there are a lot of influencers who do act really well. Yeah. Like for example, Bhuvan Bam himself, his content was about acting only. Starting में. And he's not an influencer. He's a YouTuber.
Content creator only. Yeah.
So when he's acting and he's getting out great shows, तो वो समझ में आता है. But then sometimes it's very obvious that some people are casting people just फॉर द नंबर ऑफ फॉलोइंग दैट दे हैव. एंड हमें भी बहुत बार ऑडिशंस में लिखा हुआ आता है मिनिमम फॉलोअर नीड, या इट्स अ कास्टिंग रिक्वायरमेंट दीज डेज. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रगल है बिकॉज आई ऑनेस्टली हैव मेड कंटेंट. ऐसा नहीं है, हमने बचपन लॉकडाउन में टाइम पास में यूट्यूब चैनल भी स्टार्ट किया था.
I can see.
Yeah, there's a play button there. But वो बहुत ही, अगर आप देखोगे ना तो हमारा एक सीरीज था उसमें which was called जबरदस्ती का व्लॉग. Because हम लोग पहले challenges करते थे उस पे. फिर शिवांश was like व्लॉग्स बनाते हैं नक्का जी, क्योंकि वो खुद देखता था डेविड डोब्रिक व्लॉग्स और
What do you call him? What does he call you?
नक्का जी.
Okay.
It's a separate story, उस पे बाद में.
Okay, हाँ.
So he was like कि व्लॉग्स बनाते हैं. तो I was like क्या अभी लॉकडाउन में तू मैं घर में बंद है, क्या दिखाएंगे व्लॉग में? It'll be like कि जबरदस्ती व्लॉग बना रहे हैं. तो हमने एक बनाया और हमने उसका नाम ही रख दिया जबरदस्ती का ब्लॉग. एंड इट वेंट सो वेल दैट वी मेड अ सीरीज एंड वी मेड लाइक 10 ऑफ दोस ब्लॉग्स.
वाओ,
वैसा.
आई लव द नेम जबरदस्ती का ब्लॉग.
या जबरदस्ती का ब्लॉग. तो वैसा. तो यही सब हम लोगों ने किया है, बट इट वाज नेवर that passionate जैसे acting. It was just हाँ ठीक है, मजे आ रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं.
लॉकडाउन में there was nothing also.
हाँ, तो मेरे को कोई बोलेगा ना जबरदस्ती कंटेंट बनाने, तो मेरे से नहीं होता है. फिर मैं बोलती हूँ कि ठीक है, if I like have a team who's planning everything और मुझे बस जाके शूट करना है like an actor, तो ठीक है, फिर मैं अपलोड कर दूंगी. बट मुझे बोलोगे कि तुम करो ये वो, that's why I have a lot of respect for these influencers and content creators because they do put in a lot of work.
Editing, writing.
And plus they do it all solo. Like इतना concept सोचना, अपने audience को समझना, उनको क्या देखना है क्या नहीं. So it's a lot of work, but it's not my passion is what I'll say. तो मैं इतना effort नहीं डालती. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ डालूं ताकि थोड़े followers बढ़ जाए.
सुन रहे हो आप लोग?
मन नहीं करता मेरा इतना करने का. I pray to God कि भगवान, जैसे मेरा लास्ट ईयर हुआ था ये, मैं इतना बिजी थी काम में टचवुड कि मेरे पास एक रील बनाने का भी टाइम नहीं होता था.
That's the best thing you can get.
भगवान इतना बिजी करते हो कि टाइम ही नहीं हो रील बनाने का.
And उससे पता है फॉलोअर्स भी आ जाएंगे.
हाँ, अपने आप आएंगे. Automatically. Your work will give you followers.
Right. And initially, like you said, social media start यही हुआ था. Like if your work is good, you will get popular on social media. And
like not to, I don't want to sound wrong, but I don't have that huge fan following or like a number, but I have a FinFan nomination, so it's okay. That's what makes me happier than maybe 1 million followers.
Beat that.
So, yeah.
No, but you have FilmFare nomination. You have a fan following, and the good part is it's not okay. I also don't want to sound wrong, but the good part is whatever the following, whatever the fans you have gotten, it's not based on one reel or two reels. It's with the work.
Yeah.
So वो ना persistent होता है, वो long run के लिए होता है. वो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि 3 reels नहीं बनाई तो वो चला जाएगा.
Yeah. No, but see, I'm not saying anything about influencers because they're doing a great work.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I just feel it's a complete different industry.
Yeah.
And sometimes they try to merge the two.
It should not be mixed.
Yeah. अभी जैसे अगर आप awards भी देखो ना, तो एक्टिंग के अवार्ड्स अलग होते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर के अवार्ड्स अलग होते हैं. एंड अगर एक इन्फ्लुएंसर भी फोर्ब्स की लिस्ट में आ रहा है तो वो इन्फ्लुएंसर कैटेगरी में ही आता है. तो आई थिंक दे आर टू डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस एंड पीपल शुड नॉट कंफ्यूज द टू फॉर ईच अदर. बोथ आर ग्रेट इन देयर ओन सेपरेट वेज, बोथ आर डिफिकल्ट इन देयर ओन वेज, बट दे शुड
not be mixed and confused. Right. What now tell me the story behind what Shivansh
calling you. So it's a sweet story. वो जो छोटा था ना, तो वो he just learned how to speak much later on in life, like I think 3-4 years old. तब तक वो थोड़ा normally बोलता था, I don't know why. तो नविका दीदी उससे बोला नहीं जाता था, तो he used to say नक्का जी. तो वो उसकी आदत बन गई and we never changed it. So till date he calls me नक्का जी. और वो हमारी ऐसी आदत हो गई है कि मैं ऐसे लोगों के सामने बोल देती हूँ, and they're like what? क्या? What does he call you? And YouTube पे तो हमारे कमेंट्स में भी सब मुझे नक्का जी बोलते थे because वो व्लॉग्स में पूरा नक्का जी बोलता था. In fact, we also have we've started our own new business. It's a jewelry business, and it's like real jewelry, like gold, silver, and
wow.
all. We still haven't. I think this is the first time I'm saying it publicly because it's a new business. There's a store we have, but we haven't started its marketing yet because we're still doing our research and everything on it. But it's also called Nakaji Jewelers. So yeah.
You took रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है very seriously.
Maybe.
Jewelry design, it was there, no?
उसमें our family. So my dad is actually a jeweler only. I come from a family of jewelers.
Oh, okay.
So my dad had his own family business, and now we've started our own.
Oh wow! So who designs?
Separate this thing. My dad only.
Acha, okay.
So he knows, he's the manufacturer and everything.
Okay.
But yeah, so.
Oh wow! When is it coming out? When can we expect?
Very soon. So there is a store in Kandivali West. So the business is running, but we just haven't taken it publicly. We
अच्छा,
haven't started
okay.
the marketing of it yet.
So organically जो
अभी
भी
फिलहाल
आ रहा है.
तो that's the plan because it's a newer business plus it's
Right.
gold, you know, so we need to study the market
Of course.
first and all.
Yeah.
So digital ले जाने में अभी time है. अभी online है, offline है.
Offline है.
But
Oh,
it's called Nakaji Jewelers. It started in August only.
Oh wow, so sweet. Acha, do you have any other plans to do? Like you said, you know, you are into acting. You just started the business. Have you ever thought of doing something else? Maybe you dance also.
Yeah.
So maybe something, maybe into writing or direction or anything else for that matter.
See, direction does fascinate me a lot.
Oh, okay.
But I think I don't have enough knowledge to do that. I would love to learn. I try and learn on set. But apart from all of this, I actually have a diploma in French. And I love that language. So, अगर कुछ नहीं होता, like acting would have not worked out, I think I would have made a career in French by either being a translator or working in the embassy or maybe a teacher. I don't know. But yeah, and मैंने tuitions भी लिए हैं French.
You used to teach French.
Yeah, I used to teach French. So I started with my brother actually. पहले उसको सिखाया मैंने जब वो स्कूल में था.
अच्छा.
But जब मैं अपना डिप्लोमा कर रही थी तो I realized how much I love the language. So then lockdown में because I was so free and I used to take online tuitions.
मुझे suddenly ऐसे बहुत ही ना ऐसे under type feeling आ रही है. What the hell am I doing?
But that's बहुत मजा आता है बहुत ही. Yesterday only a friend of mine called me up. She's like my cousin has some doubts in French. Can she?
So you can speak French
fluently? Yeah.
Oh wow.
So हमारे एग्जाम्स होते हैं जैसे IELTS होता है ना इंग्लिश में तो वैसे रीडिंग राइटिंग लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग 4 सेक्शन के एग्जाम्स होते हैं हमारे तो उसमें अलग अलग लेवल्स होते हैं सो आई फिनिश द लास्ट लेवल.
Nice. It'll take some time for me to fathom.
Yeah.
But nice.
But I'm very much out of touch of French. मतलब क्योंकि रोज बोलने नहीं मिले किससे बोलूं और कितनी मूवीज देख लूं मैं फ्रेंच में you know. In fact ये मूवी आई थी ना अभी खेल खेल में. That is also a remake of a Italian film जो मैंने फ्रेंच में देखी थी पहले.
Something I forgot the name.
Yeah. In French Je ne sais pas I think is the name, the French name, and English में it's called Nothing to Hide.
Nothing
it's the
to
same
hide,
concept,
yeah.
but I think खेल खेल में is funny. That movie is more dramatic. Nice film.
Yeah, खेल खेल में तो like अक्षय कुमार is there तो
हाँ, I'm yet to watch it. मैं कल देखने वाली थी, but रह गया मैं सो गई.
What's your most favorite film you have watched in recent past?
Recent times तो rewatch किया था तुम्बाड़ वो तो है ही one of the favorites. But उसके अलावा मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा कौन. आई थिंक इस 3-2 देखी थी मैंने and I liked it a lot because I love comedy. मुझे तुम जितनी वाहियात कॉमेडी दिखाओगे मैं उतना हंसूंगी क्योंकि मैं खुद भी वैसे ही वाहियात जोक्स मारती हूँ.
पीजेस
बहुत पीजेस मतलब मेरे पीजेस ऐसा मेरे पास लाइन है क्योंकि क्या होता है ना जैसे अगर मैं किसी को एक पीजे सुनाती हूँ तो उसका रिएक्शन होता है ऐसा फर्स्ट रिएक्शन फिक्स है ये और मैंने इतना करके देखा है कि मैं गारंटी दे सकती हूँ सब ये करते हैं और सुना और बता फिक्स मतलब हर इंसान ने मुझे ये बोला और बता और सुना तो मैं ना याद रखती थी तो अभी मेरा ऑर्डर भी फिक्स हो गया कि मेरे को कैसे ऑर्डर में बोलना है फिर मैं एक जोक ऐसे कनेक्ट करके दूसरा जोक बता देती हूँ एंड में.
Do you have a PJ right now?
हाँ बहुत सारे हैं मेरे पास.
Can we have yeah.
ठीक है. How will a bold lady travel?
I know this and I'm ashamed. I think I know this. I don't know. Automatically.
Yeah. automatically.
How do I do this?
Yeah.
It's full effect on me, I guess.
Why is Ronaldo's room always organized?
Because he's not messy.
Hey, you know everything, yaar. Come on.
I swear I didn't know. I swear I didn't know. I think now I'm feeling like how do I know this? I'm very much surprised. How do I know this?
नहीं. अच्छा, if you have to put, ये तो पता होगा यार, ये तो बचपन का ही जोक है. अगर एक एलिफेंट को फ्रिज में डालना है तो कैसे डालना?
हाँ, that
ये तो
फ्रिज खोलो. It's a series of jokes. It's a series. Oh wow.
तो वैसा तो मैं ऐसे फालतू की बातें बहुत करती हूँ. तो मुझे कॉमेडी मूवीज बहुत पसंद है. So वेलकम, भूल भुलैया, गोलमाल, ये सारी मूवीज रटी हुई है मुझे. भागम भाग. I love it. मतलब कभी भी ऐसा मेरे को मन बेचैन होता है ना तो मैं कोई भी एक मूवी चला देती हूँ ये देखती हूँ.
चुप चुप के and all that. It's fun. चाय मुझे चाहिए. Nice. अच्छा, lastly before we sign off, you know, throughout your journey, have there been any moments where you felt like I want to like quit acting profession and maybe I want to do something else apart from the time when you took break for studies?
So I actually was very fat growing up.
Okay.
Like my whole school life, I was a chubby kid only. I've always struggled with my weight, and the only reason why I have lost so much weight, like I've lost more than 20 kgs, is simply because of acting. Because the kind of roles I wanted to do, वो मुझे नहीं मिलते थे. वो मतलब मैं घुसती थी and they were like, हम आपको audition के लिए brief तो कर देंगे, but you'll have to lose weight. हाँ, फिर मेरा audition लेते थे. And even when I was a small kid, I used to do a lot of catalog shoots. तो तब भी they used to be like, ते बेटा तेरी तो तोंद है. So like growing up, Bournvita was like a luxury for me. वैसा. तो मेरा मतलब बहुत वो struggle रहा है. तो उस वजह से मुझे कभी-कभी लगता था कि जाने दो, कोई मतलब नहीं है, बिकॉज नहीं हो पा रही मैं पतली. क्योंकि क्या था ना, पहले स्कूल भी होता था तो आप डाइट कर लो, बट फिर एग्जाम्स आ जाते थे, फिर आप बैठ के एक जगह बैठ के पढ़ रहे हो. जब मेरे 12th के बोर्ड्स खत्म हुए थे, आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 78-77 kgs. तो उसके बाद देन अगेन आई डिड अनदर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, आई लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ वेट. फिर मान वेट लूज हुआ, फिर लॉकडाउन आ गया. लॉकडाउन आया वापस, ये दोनों मम्मी पापा फ्री घर पे, कभी कुछ बना रहे कभी कुछ बना रहे. 2 साल का वेट लॉस मैंने 3 महीने में गेन कर लिया वापस. क्योंकि आप कंट्रोल भी करो तो कितना कंट्रोल करोगे ना, एंड व्हेन योर बॉडी इज प्रोन टू गेनिंग वेट तो वो हो जाता है. फिर मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, अभी अगर यही करना है लाइफ में तो मेहनत कर ले थोड़ी. एंड देन अभी आई हैड नो डिस्ट्रैक्शन, अभी स्कूल नहीं है, कॉलेज नहीं है, एग्जाम्स नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. तो फिर पूरा फोकस वेट लॉस पे डाला. आई लॉस्ट वेट एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग अगेन. तो वेट के चक्कर में कभी कभार सोचा है कि छोड़, ऑडिशन देकर भी क्या मतलब, सेलेक्ट तो होना नहीं. अच्छा, और मोटा वाला रोल भी नहीं मिलता था. बोलते थे उसके लिए बहुत पतले हो और मोटे हो, बिकॉज़ देन दे वांट समवन ओबीस. तो आई वाज लाइक, अभी आई विल चूज द हेल्दियर ऑप्शन.
इधर चले जाते हैं. राइट.
वैसा नहीं तो फिर बेस्ट फ्रेंड का रोल कर लो, साइड रोल कर लो. एंड आई वाज लाइक, देखो करना है ठीक है, बाहर रोल इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बट मुझे मेरा पोटेंशियल पता है. आई नो दैट आई कैन डू कैरेक्टर्स वेल irrespective of my weight. ठीक है, अभी उनका क्राइटेरिया है तो we lose weight. And as I said, हीरोइन लगनी चाहिए ना.
Of course. So तुम क्या मिले?
Yeah, I don't want to promote that also कि आप जैसे हो वैसे ही रहो और you should become a heroine. There are different body types, but that does not mean that you have to unnecessarily promote being fat and a couch potato. आप अपनी बॉडी को एक्सेप्ट करो. अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं पतली हो गई हूँ तो भी मुझे लोग बोलते हैं, और वही लोग बोलते हैं जो पहले मोटा मोटा चिढ़ाते थे, क्या बोलते कितनी पतली हो गई, हड्डी बन गई है तू. तो लोग तो बोलेंगे, उनका मत सुनो, खुद की बॉडी को एक्सेप्ट करो. चौड़े शोल्डर्स है. आपका लाइट बंद हो गया.
कि हमेशा एंड में धोखा देती है लाइट. थैंक्स.
सो दे आर लाइक, आपके चौड़े शोल्डर्स है तो ठीक है, यू हैव अ different build, you're very petite, that's fine, that's a different thing, that's body positivity. But तुम ये, मैं तो मोटी की मोटी रहूंगी, मैं तो नहीं पतली होंगी, then it's just unhealthy for you, you know.
Right, it's health
irrespective
concerns
of acting also, मतलब
right.
irrespective of this field. तो या तो I was like, ठीक है, हो जाते हैं पतले, कोशिश की हो गई, अब कब तक मेंटेन होता है.
No,
तब तक काम करने जितना हो
fit, very fit and nice. And like I said pretty and all, but then you look fresh and fit also, which is I think more important. Rest comes along.
Yeah.
Fresh and fit is more important. Yeah, nice. Even I would like to lose some weight. So. मेरा लॉकडाउन का वेट अब तक नहीं गया है.
एंड विद बीइंग अ गर्ल ना, आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एज आई थिंक नेचुरली बॉडी वेट ले लेता है.
There's a different the guy and a girl body structure.
and hormones भी होते हैं ना लड़कियों के. Because I've seen a lot of girls when they reach their 30s, they do put on weight and they also find it more difficult to lose weight after a certain age. अब जैसे मेरी मौसियाँ हैं, sometimes they compare my weight loss to their weight loss.
क्या हो रहा है?
I think वो overeat हो गया होगा.
कोई ऐसे मैनेज कर.
That's fine. Anyway, we're wrapping up.
हाँ.
हो गया. हाँ, yeah.
So like the aunts, they sometimes compare their weight loss to my weight loss, and I'm like, मत करो आप.
Yeah,
तो
that's
मेरे में कम
different,
से कम 30 साल का डिफरेंस है.
Yeah.
जिस स्पीड से मैंने लूज किया है, जरूरी नहीं है आप भी करोगे.
Right.
तो it's each to its own, you know.
Amazing. On that note, any last message to the audience watching you?
Just a lot of thank you for all the support that you've been giving to my new show and to me over all these years. And I hope कि हम ऐसे ही बने रहे. And thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to talk to you and to your lovely audience. And yeah, I hope we meet again someday.
Super soon, and thank you so much for joining us. It was pleasure talking to
Thank
you.
you.
And yes, let's I hope we meet again for your future projects and much more to come. All the very best.
Thank you so
Touch wood,
much.
let's manifest. See ya. Thank you.